Hello, my dear students. I am Guge Rohini Madan from KJ Samaya College, Kopargaon. Today, we will see the CHO 350 section first organic reaction mechanism. In this section, we will learn the enamine concept. Let us see what we will learn in today's lecture. First, the introduction and structure of enamine. Then, reactivity of enamine, preparation of enamine from symmetrical ketones, preparation of enamine from unsymmetrical ketones, then reaction of enamine, and then the application of enamine. Okay, first structure and introduction of enamine, then reactivity of enamine, then preparation of enamine from symmetrical ketones, and the preparation of enamine from unsymmetrical ketones, then the reaction of enamine, and then the application of enamine. Let us see one by one. First, the introduction and structure of enamine. Here the structure of enamine. This is alpha beta unsaturated amine, or this is also called as vinylamine. Here the R, it is a substituents. There are different types of substituents. Next is the reactivity of enamine. Enamine acts as an ambient nucleophile. Ambient nucleophile means the ambient nucleophile is an anionic nucleophile whose negative charge is delocalized by resonance over two unlike atoms or two like atoms but not equivalent atoms. The most common ambient nucleophile are enolate ions. Here two types of ambient nucleophile. First one is beta alkylation and second one is N alkylation. Now we will see one by one. First, beta alkylation. Here the lone pair of nitrogen and the carbon-carbon double bond beta carbon, the dihedral angle, it is a 0. Therefore, here the beta carbon acts as a nucleophile and the formation of the result is carbon alkylation, or this is also called as beta alkylation reaction takes place. And here N alkylation, the lone pair of nitrogen and beta carbon atoms, the dihedral angle, it is not 0. Therefore, here the nitrogen, it acts as a nucleophile, and here the result, the formation of N alkylation reaction takes place. Okay, here two types of alkylation. First one is beta alkylation and second one is N alkylation. In this beta alkylation, the dihedral angle between nitrogen and carbon-carbon double bond, it is a 0. Therefore, here the beta carbon acts as a nucleophile and the formation of beta alkylation reaction takes place. In this N alkylation, the dihedral angle between nitrogen and beta carbon atom, it is not 0. Therefore, here the nitrogen acts as a nucleophile and the formation of here N alkylation reaction takes place. Okay, next is the preparation of enamine. Here the preparation of enamine, there are two different types of ketones. First one is symmetrical ketones and second one is unsymmetrical ketone. Now first we will see the symmetrical ketones. Okay, symmetrical ketones means here the ketones, there are two alpha position. In this two alpha position, there are presence of two symmetrical substituents. Okay, here the presence of hydrogen, here also presence of hydrogen, therefore it is a symmetrical ketones. But here the presence of methyl and here hydrogen, there are unsymmetrical ketones. Okay, now first we will see the preparation of enamine from symmetrical ketone. First, alpha hydroketone reacts with secondary amine in presence of zeotropic mixture and here formation of enamine. Okay, here not use the tertiary amine for the formation of enamine, because if we use tertiary amine then the formation of quaternary salt instead of enamine. Therefore only tertiary amine are used for the formation of enamine. Okay, here tertiary amine not used because here formation of quaternary salt. Okay, therefore only secondary amine are used for the formation of enamine. Okay, here this is symmetrical ketones reacts with secondary amine, and here secondary amine is structure of pyrrolidine. Okay, generally use secondary amines for enamine synthesis. It is a pyrrolidine, piperidine or morphyline. Okay, and this reaction takes place in presence of azeotropic mixture. Okay, and the formation of here alpha beta unsaturated enamine. Okay, here this is general reaction. Next is a mechanism of the preparation of enamine. Here alpha hydroketone reacts with pyrrolidine. Here formation of here oxygen carry negative charge, here nitrogen plus, here H. Then next this negative charge abstract this proton and stabilize the positive charge on nitrogen. Okay, and here formation of OH. Then by using next molecules of pyrrolidine and here formation of enamine. Okay, the next is the preparation of enamine from by using unsymmetrical ketones. Okay, here structure of unsymmetrical ketone. This is general reaction for the preparation of enamine from unsymmetrical ketones. Here the alpha hydroketone reacts with secondary amine in presence of azeotropic mixture and form here formation of less substituted enamine. Okay, here in this reaction the formation of two products. First one is less substituted enamine and second one is more substituted enamine. Okay, but the less substituted enamine it acts as a major product because these alpha substituent create strong steric crowding with this alpha substituent of pyrrolidine. Okay, because these alpha substituent creates strong steric crowding with alpha substituent of pyrrolidine. Therefore, less substituted enamine acts as a major product. Okay, and more substituted enamine acts as a minor product. Here unsymmetrical ketone reacts with pyrrolidine in presence of azeotropic mixture and here formation of less substituted enamine. Next, the mechanism of formation of enamine. Here same unsymmetrical ketone reacts with pyrrolidine. Here formation of oxygen carry negative charge, here nitrogen plus. Then next this negative charge abstract this proton and stabilize the positive charge on nitrogen. Then by using next molecules of pyrrolidine, here loss of water molecule and the formation of enamine. Okay, less substituted enamine and this is a major product. Next, by using enamine the formation of alpha alkylation reaction. Okay, here the general reaction enamine reacts with active alkyl halide work up with water or hydrolysis takes place and the formation of alpha alkylation reaction. Okay, enamine reacts with active alkyl halide or allyl halide, then hydrolysis takes place and the formation of alpha alkylation reaction. Next is the mechanism of the formation of alpha alkylated product. Okay, first enamine reacts with active alkyl halide group here by using the lone pair of nitrogen atom. Here lone pair of nitrogen atom here delocalize and here formation of nucleophile, and this nucleophile attack on here electron deficient carbon atom and here D part of leaving group. Okay, and here formation of iminium salt. Okay, in this enamine reaction the formation of enamine salt takes place. The next step is the hydrolysis takes place by using water molecule and the formation of alpha alkylated product. Okay, the next is alpha acylation by using enamine. Okay, by using enamine the formation of alpha acylation reaction. Here the enamine reacts with acyl halide, then hydrolysis takes place and the formation of alpha acylation reaction. Here the general reaction, the enamine reacts with, here this is acyl halide. Okay, S means any halogen group like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, then work up with water molecule or hydrolysis takes place and here formation of alpha alkyl acylation reaction. Okay, next the mechanism of alpha acylation reaction. Here enamine by using lone pair of nitrogen here delocalize here formation of nucleophile. This nucleophile attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon. This bond is revert back and here loss of leaving group and here formation of enamine salt. The next is the hydrolysis takes place and the formation of alpha acylated product. Okay. Then next the application of enamine. By using enamine there are formation of different types of products or reactions. First is the monoalkylation reaction. Next one is 1,3-dicarbonyl synthesis. Okay, here numbering 1, 2, 3. Here 1,3-dicarbonyl synthesis. Then the 1,5-dicarbonyl synthesis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here 1,5-dicarbonyl synthesis. Then gamma del unsaturated ketone. Okay, here alpha, beta, gamma or del. Gamma del unsaturated ketones. Okay, these are the different types of application of enamine. Okay, by using enamine the formation of different types of reaction. Now we have completed the enamine concept, so I am stop here. Thank you so much for watching this video.